Starting an eBay store is one of the most fun and lucrative things that you can do to start a home-based business. A lot of people have set up shop on eBay and actually made it like their full-time income, bro. And you 100% capable of doing the exact same thing. What's not always so easy is finding the best items to sell on eBay. So what I'm about to do, I'm not gonna give you a list off of Google. I'm gonna tell you from my experience the top things that you should look for to sell on eBay. The number one thing is cell phone accessories, right? Now, this is phone cases, AirPod cases, chargers, you name it. Pretty much anything that classifies as a cell phone accessory. And I group these under such a wide umbrella because they all got one thing in common, okay? They're easily obtainable, they're all super saturated on eBay, and they all have low profit margins. Hear me out, because when you're selling these, this is really important, all right? It's not always about profit, it's about volume. And what that means in simple terms is that if you're only profiting, let's say 50 cents per item on something, it's not about that profit, it's about how many times you can do that. So if you make that 50% profit 1,000 times a day, then that's $500 a day. And I think everybody can agree that that's some bread. All right, now AliExpress, Alibaba, places like that are gonna be the go-to as far as how you get these type of things. And so you basically go on there, search for whatever you want. You can buy them at a super cheap rate, and then boom, you're in the door. The next thing, shoes and clothing. People have definitely supplemented their 9 to 5 selling shoes and clothes. And believe it or not, eBay is actually one of the biggest online clothing marketplaces. All right, now hear me out, because this is the trick to selling clothing on eBay. All right, you have to figure out which brands are selling, and then you target those brands. Brand names makes the eBay world go round as far as clothing. Like, for instance, Harley Davidson is one of the best. And so I know at this point you're thinking like, bro, where do I find just random discounted Harley Davidson clothing? And I'll tell you, flea markets, thrift stores, just to name a few. I can guarantee you right now, you could walk into a local thrift store and find Harley Davidson shirt, jacket, or something in there. It could be vintage, it could be whatever. Now, if you're looking for shoes, then of course the places I just mentioned, but places like Ross, Marshalls, department stores like that are definitely gonna be places where you can get some good finds. Here's some more sauce that I wish I would have knew earlier when it came to selling clothes. If you've never sold on eBay, then you can set your price firm, or you can accept offers. Accept offers on these clothing, because what you don't want to do is have it sitting there too long. As long as you're getting at least what you paid for it back, then it's a win. You want to keep these clothes moving. You don't want to have anything sitting there for too long. So yeah, you don't want to go into the negative and not profit and take lower than what you paid, but sometimes you're going to find that that's better than just having it sitting. Cell phone, my absolute favorite. And this is probably the most lucrative as well. Now here's the thing with cell phones. While they aren't as easy to obtain as everything else I mentioned, they're more lucrative and they are not impossible to obtain. So I actually have an entire playlist on how to flip phones, how to buy and sell phones or whatever. And so I'm gonna link that below. But long story short, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, places like that, you can even make a graphic that says, hey, I pay cash for phones, and watch how many people end up calling you to see how much you're willing to give them for their phone. The thing is, you're paying below market value and then selling for market value. One thing to remember on eBay is that unlocked devices sell for the most. When it's unlocked, that means it's not locked down to a specific carrier. One thing that's going to be vital to all your eBay success is finding out how much something is worth. All right, and just a quick lesson about that, I stress that a lot, but you go to search something on eBay, and instead of looking at the listings, what you're going to look for is the sold list. And the sold listings will tell you how much something is worth, because it's not what people are asking, but it's rather what it's going out the door all day for. If you're interested in phone flipping, shoe flipping, or any other type of side hustles, then check out one of these playlists above. Thank y'all for y'all time. Let's attack this Monday. If you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. We out. Let's get it.